Everyone has a desire to make money online using applications on their smartphone. The truth is, not all the money-making apps on Google Play Store can generate real money for you. And that's why I'm here to share with you a total of 5 powerful and effective apps that can pay up to $135 per hour in free PayPal money. I've been making money with these unique apps, and I highly recommend them for you too. And the best thing about this whole process is that you don't need any investments and no payments. This method is guaranteed 100% free. But before I reveal these powerful applications to you guys, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, the #1 YouTube channel that teaches you how to make money online the easiest way. Please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. The first app that I'll be sharing with you in this video is called Decluttr. Decluttr is an app dedicated to creating an avenue for users like you and me to sell stuff that is no longer needed. Now, if you look at their official page, you can see that they've been featured on tons of massive media outlets such as NBC, TechRadar, ABC News, Fast Company, and The Penny Hoarder. That tells you that Decluttr is surely an amazing platform to make money online. Now, why sell to Decluttr? Number 1, they pay the most for tech. Number 2, hundreds of millions are paid out to their happy customers. Number 3, free shipping on all orders. Number 4, fast next-day payments. And number 5, they offer a tech price promise, which is to get their first price or your items back for free. Now on to app number 2, which is called My Points. My Points is perfect for those who are shopping enthusiasts, since this is where you can earn points by simply shopping at your favorite stores. My Points members get up to 40% back with every purchase from over 2,000 top retailers. These include Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon. The best part about this app is their welcome bonus of $20, and you can get that amount in less than 2 minutes. Once you've accumulated points, you can now cash out whenever you want for your favorite gift card or claim your money via bank transfer or PayPal. App number 3, Rakuten, which allows cashback. With Rakuten, you can score cashback at thousands of stores and save on the brands that you love. Stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending you their way. It's a win-win situation for you and Rakuten, as both parties can generate income. They earn money through commission and you earn money through cashback. How do you start with Rakuten? Step 1 is to sign up for a free account in just less than 30 seconds. Step 2 is to start shopping on Rakuten, whether on the app or the website. And lastly, step 3, where you can watch your cashback balance grow and then get paid via check or PayPal. Are you guys entertained and informed watching this video? If yes, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. The fourth app is called Rewards. Rewards is where you can earn points by taking location-based surveys, sharing your location, and referring friends. When you do these tasks, you can then earn tons of points which will be converted into real money later on. Furthermore, you can also see some pretty positive reviews about the experiences on the app, and when you go through each of them, they all left such fantastic reviews. And now finally, the fifth app, called MyPic. For beginners, MyPic is a premium print platform designed for artists, photographers, and influencers. Basically, how this works is that MyPic asks you to upload some of your pictures, and they will help you promote the pictures and sell them to people all over the world. Step 1. Simply upload your art in the form of photos. MyPic will check the resolution and only show the products, and your image will look great to retain the best print quality. Step 2. Bring art to life. Sell your art as premium lifestyle products handmade by their specialists. Just select the product you want to sell and share your preview on social media. Step 3. Become the designer and sell products from a simple upload. People around the world can now own your pics as custom art and fashion. They will drive people to your gallery and provide you with tools to help promote your products to friends and followers, while you earn a 20% commission for that. Then lastly, step number 4 is all about withdrawing your commissions using your PayPal account. Now that you've watched this video till the end, wouldn't you take a step and implement what you've learned so you can earn $135 per hour? Subscribe for more valuable finance content.